who's inside. Do you know who it is yet? Look! Wow, he looks pretty. Now, let's open up the orange. We've got a Petkin, and it's a pussycat. She looks really cute. Let's put her with the other. And here's the yellow. Wow. Do you know who it is yet? This is season 1. That one's season 2, but this one's season 1. Here's green. Wow. This one's super cool. And now blue. Let's see the blue egg. Ooh. Do you know who it is? If you guess Jiggly Jelly, then you're right.